continue to celebrate Earth Week, drawing attention to some of the biggest environmental challenges in the Bay Area.
Yeah, the pandemic has, of course, made PPE, the personal protective equipment like face masks and other life-saving accessories, quite a bit of it is actually disposable. And that leads to littering, and we're seeing it showing up now on beaches and waterways. It's a problem.
Being disposed of all right,
Yeah.
and not in a good way. KRON 4's Maureen Kelly takes a closer look.
PPE like disposable face masks can be seen worn everywhere in our collective effort to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. But they're also turning up as trash on our streets, blown onto our beaches and polluting the bay and ocean.
This is not okay.
Lynn Adams with Pacifica Beach Coalition is holding a bag stuffed with disposable gloves, masks, and sanitizing wipes. Volunteers using the Clean Swell app to track what's being picked up have logged 1,000 pieces of PPE a month from around the Bay Area since October. What's believed to be just a small fraction of pandemic-related waste causing damage to our ecosystem.
It could be ingested by animals and cause a blockage. It could be entangled in an animal, in a bird's foot or in a beak or in a neck.
Well, many people think these disposable masks are made out of paper. They're actually composed of a lot of plastic products, which means they are not biodegradable.
Plastic is so horrible because it breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces, and it's always plastic, right? It doesn't turn into soil. When it goes into the ocean and the fish are eating it, then we catch the fish and we eat the fish. And so we're getting the plastic through them back to us. And it's very harmful and it's very toxic.
We want to encourage people to be as safe as possible in the pandemic, but it is also producing this unintended consequence that is a direct impact on our waterways.
Cole Burchell with Baykeeper says PPE is not the only pandemic-related waste that's ending up polluting our waters.
Takeout containers. There are estimates in the United States that the average American is using 25 to 30% more disposable products, and that's in direct relation to the pandemic.
The things people can do to help: don't litter, pick up trash you see, and participate in cleanup efforts. Learn which plastics can be recycled in your area. Burchell says people should also encourage their politicians to put pressure on the plastic industry.
To develop biodegradable alternatives, to create alternatives to plastic packaging in general, because that's really the only way we'll tackle this type of issue.
Because plastic pollution will still be a problem well after the pandemic is over. Maureen Kelly, KRON 4 News.